Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And after that, right here we have a name. Near to the name, at least on stock Android, we have pencil icon. On some phones it's located at the right top, and some Android phones have a line with a name. So I'm going to tap at this icon. If you have a line, tap at this line. We have a name, and you need to write the best one for you right here. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. Then, the most important is to click Rename to save this new name. But on your phone it may be done or OK or check mark or something else. So tap at that button and we just change it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!